Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy A10e. So let's get right to the point. What we want to do first is press and hold the power button and click power off. Once your device is off, click and hold the volume up and the power button until you get to the recovery screen. Now from here, using your volume down and up button to navigate, we will navigate down to wipe data/factory reset, and we will click the power button to select that. And then once again, volume down to select yes, power button to select it. Now this will do the complete wipe. Once the wipe is complete, you will need to reboot the system, and the system will reboot without any of your personal information on there.